大家好, you're watching Nightwind Chinese. I'm Mia, and my hair is telling you how strong the wind is right now. You're watching Nightwind Chinese. I'm Mia. Well, this is a new video of walking with me in the typhoon affected weather. Let's go. So this hairstyle is a masterpiece by the wind of last 5 minutes or so, and it's also raining a little bit, drizzling at the moment. A little past 7 p.m. Temperature around 27 degrees. The sky is gray and with some misty white clouds. Trees are dancing in the wind. And look at the water in the river. This movement also shows the direction of the wind. Right now it's actually like a break for the wind. It's kind of peaceful now. 5-10 minutes ago, yeah, it was crazy. Wind. Yeah, it's windy. The name of this typhoon is called Du Su Rui, and it has hit the southern coastal parts of China today. So here I'm in Nantong, which is on the east coast, so a little bit more north, but we are also a bit affected. Since 2 a.m.-ish, the rain started, and it's been raining on and off the whole day with strong wind, a lot of cumulus clouds on the sky. So yeah, this kind of weather. Light rain. This is what the ground looks like right now. Yeah, from this angle you can see better the movement of the water. Relaxing sha-sha sound made by the leaves. While the sky is gloomy with clouds fast moving to that side. Bird dance like mist, like smoke. Luckily, people's lives are not negatively affected by this weather. You can see still many people are out in the evening, spending some time outside, and the food vendors are also selling snacks. And we will finish this episode here. Basically, I went to grab some food, and when I'm out, showers. And well, you can see I'm soaked, so I'm hurry home. On my bike now, it's a short ride, so it won't matter. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.